Hi everybody, it's Dean Jacks from iDesign Solutions. So we've got the new VEX IQ game, Rise Above, that just came out. And a lot of us are in the same situation where we want to start having strategy meetings with our teams, but we're going to have to do that remotely. And if you're in a situation like I am, where there's just not room in here to set up a field, we have a new solution. So what we have is, we have the virtual strategy field. So what we've done is we've designed these little 3D printable game elements. They don't look much like the game element, but we wanted to make sure that they would print on any printer without support. But they are the right shape, they're the right dimensions, and they fit on the strategy. You can paint them really easily with any dollar store art paint. So it's just a great way, especially if your students are a lot like mine where they're visual, where you can almost set it up like a chessboard and you can move the pieces around and start working on your strategy sessions with a miniature version. Hope this helps, and the STL file to download the game pieces for those of you with 3D printers is going to be available on our website. Stay safe. Hope you're having a great day.